At Sharpsys, we believe in empowering young minds to turn their passion into real-world solutions. Here is how our interns in Data Science and Analytics are making an impact.
Meet Shweta.
When I joined Sharpsys, I was really excited but didn't know what to expect. But right from the start, I started working on real-time projects and apply what I learned in classes.
Prakash.
Transformed raw data into meaningful stories with her custom Power BI dashboards. Her work helped clients track key metrics effortlessly.
It's been such an amazing experience. I have worked with tools like Python and machine learning. So now I can see how it fits all together in the real world, and I am learning by doing.
Sharmila.
We used sentiment analysis to derive actionable insights from social media data, helping clients enhance their digital strategies.
The best part, the mentorship. My mentor has been so supportive and helping me with everything from small problems to big challenges. I feel like I'm growing every day.
Harini.
Tackle the complex data pipelines, ensuring seamless processing for high-volume data analytics projects. Its efficiency saved hours of manual work.
I have learned so much in just a few months here, from data wrangling to building a model. Sharpsys really helped me to turn my classroom knowledge into hands-on experience.
Our interns are not just learning, they are making difference. At Sharpsys, we turn passion into purpose and talent into success.